Hey everybody, it's me, your girl, back with another video, Lady Carrie Lee. Okay, let's not get carried away. So today's video is going to be a simple little video. I'm outside enjoying nature because it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Well, it's beautiful right now. It's in Florida time. Look at this. I need a pool. All right, so anyway, back to what I was talking about. This is what happens. I always lose my train of thought. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lava lamp. Well, it's not technically a lava lamp that's going to be in your room. Just an experiment to do with me and my son and Jose, your guy. All right, guys, tune in now. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me. Turn on that post notifications bell on right now. Hey guys, all right, so back to it. So what you're gonna need for your lava lamp experiment, you're gonna need vegetable oil, okay? You're gonna need Alka-Seltzer. I think I'm saying it.
Flip it.
Oh. Jose, your guy, is recording, by the way. Alka-Seltzer. And you're going to need some food coloring. Alright, so my son has apparently picked green because I guess that's his favorite color. So what you're going to do for the first step, come closer. Yeah, okay. We're going to pour in some vegetable oil into the mix. Okay, it said to put more oil than water. So we're going to do that. Okay, there's the oil. Not yet. Oh my gosh, little boy. all right. That was cut. Oh my gosh, no. This is what happens when you have children. So I'm gonna have the Alka-Seltzer out. Wait a second, little boy. Okay, he is ready to go. And like, oh my gosh, we're not doing it this way. Okay, so if you're thirsty, also you can drink a glass of water and take a sip before you pour it in there, you know? All right, back to it. So we're gonna pour in some water and you're gonna see that it's gonna separate, hopefully. Hopefully I don't look like a fool here. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's separating slowly?
It's separating, yeah, you can
Look
tell.
at the bubbles, Jace. No. All right, I think that's enough water.
Okay.
And the next step, we're gonna add some food coloring. My son keeps picking green, so we're gonna go ahead and put. Give me this.
Bless you.
Oh my goodness! All right, ready? Squeeze it in. Look it. 1, 2. Oh, you want red? I guess red. Okay, you want to squeeze it? Okay. Ready? 3, 4. Wow. Okay, green. No, don't put your hand in the experiment. All right, this is what happens. Okay. Okay, he wants red as well, so we're gonna mix it in. Blue. Okay. Oh my goodness, that was red. All right. Do you think that's enough drops?
You need more.
More drops. Okay. We're gonna splash a little bit more red in. 1, 2, 3. I really don't know how many drops I should put in here.
Good amount. There's more of the colors.
Okay. Where are the other colors? Oh, how about blue? Oh, there goes my other son. He wants some input, guys. Okay, we're just gonna.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the bubbles. Do you guys see that?
You can see that.
Oh, it's like glitter. Oh my gosh! My son, I can't.
Okay, you should be ready.
All right, more. All right. Okay, Jace, wait a second. Nope. Oh my gosh. I can't even open this. My hands are so slippery with the oil because my son keeps. Oh my gosh! Stop. No, I can't.
Huh?
Wait.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. I guess make sure your kids don't put things inside the cup. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, Jace, look. All right, so it's set to. All right, let's just take all the colors away from your children if this is what happens. Yeah. played the box. Never mind. You might throw that in there too. So, all right. So we're gonna break the Alka-Seltzer into little pieces, and it's supposed to, I guess, erupt, or not erupt, but I guess. Look, Jace. It's just one tablet, right?
Yeah.
Look, Jace. Look. Ooh.
Bubbles.
It looks black. We made black.
Oh, we did.
Bubbles. Wow, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh.
You're moving it, so now they don't
Oh my
see it
gosh.
anymore.
All right, put it down. Put it down. It looks like blueberries. Can you guys see it? Watch Jace for a second. Oh my gosh, look at the mess that my son and I made.
Where are you going? It's not an experiment field trip here.
So this is how it looks, guys. Pretty cool, right? Your children will definitely like this. It looks so cool, right? Right, Jose, your guy? Right?
It is I.
It is I, Jose, your
You're a
guy.
recording guy.
Wow.
What,
So-
is it already?
Huh? It's a pretty simple.
That was fast.
Wow, put another one in. Let's see if it goes off.
Put 2.
Put 2?
Yeah.
The person didn't put 2?
I don't care. It's them.
All right. He's gonna put another one.
I put 3.
Put 3. I think we should add more color then.
But it's just gonna be black anyway.
All right. Fine. Mom, that was pretty cool, right? She's like, sure.
Nerds.
You don't have to. Look at it. It's erupting. Our lava lamp. What? What was that, Jose, your guy?
I didn't say
It's
anything.
erupting?
Yeah.
That's what she said?
What?
What? Can you guys see? Oh, that looks creepy. Wow.
Oh, it's rising.
It's rising?
Yes.
Oh my god, what did you do? Mom, if you have a mess in your kitchen,
It was her fault.
clean it. Oh, clean it. Oh, this looks pretty dope though. I like the color. Right?
I wish we had an actual color though.
Well, our son wanted different colors and it made it black. So if you want black lava lamp, here you go. Yeah, that was interesting. Wasn't it? It looks like soda fizz on the top. Look at this. It's very black. Do you want to put your finger in it?
Why?
I don't know. To see how it feels?
Like oil?
Put it in. Does it fizz on your finger?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fizzing.
Yeah.
It feels weird.
A little bit.
All right, my turn, my
Like
turn.
fizz.
Hold it. I need to see. Your girl, Lady Carolee. Oh,
Do you feel it?
yeah. You guys want to feel it too? Okay. All right, we're not gonna put my phone in there. So that was our little experiment for the day, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Experiment for the day. Our video for the day. Quick lava experiment for the day. What else for the day? Dancer for the day. If you guys enjoyed my little content, my little video of the lava lamp experiment, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell your peoples about me,
Lady Carrie.
Lady Carrie Lee, and Jose, your guy.
It is I, your guy.
You didn't say anything though. You didn't say no camo, no nothing, no big hair, no.
No, I did. I said I'm your recording guy earlier.
All right. Bye, guys. Oh, look at Jose here.
What are you doing?
Ooh, if you guys like that. All right, bye.